cable saw works fine. Power enough to saw this particle board and stuff like that. This is our first project that we're going to videotape, the music room. The rest of the house, like I said, was private, but this room I think is having so much projects in it that it's worthwhile to make some videos about it. But as you can see, it's full with the stuff that needs to go in here, so I'll just have to take things to one corner of the room, then do the project and then put it back and things like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my video editing station, plus combined with some other stuff, audio stuff and things like that, so I can edit this video that you see now. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out with all this recycled material to make some kind of a disc with the monitors and with the computer and with all kinds of shelves and cabinets to store all kinds of things. And it's all made from stuff that I found here in the house. It's an old Ikea dining table, I think it was. And well, I'm just going to cut it up and try to make a desk out of it. Well, this is it. The video editing desk station, all built from recycled materials. The Ikea table is used completely except for the 4 legs, but all the boards that were in there, it was a big table, is used for this, for everything. So I could make the whole unit out of it. It's not completely ready yet, but my 2 monitors fit in, my computer is in, my tape recorder and all the other stuff. Luckily my Patreons support me, so I could buy little amplifiers for the 10-way speakers, because the other speakers were, well, broken during the transport from one house to the other. But it all works again, so you see me now video editing this video that I'm recording now to make it confusing. And to make it even more confusing, yeah, the video is a bit strange, but we also got like a big pile of OSB board, 12mm, and the company who sold it knew that we were, you know, just a normal address, a domestic address, but still they sent it on a big truck without any means of unloading it. So we had to do it by hand, 38 sheets. So that took a long time, so I thought, well, it's nice to put in the video so you know. In reality it took about 20 minutes to unload it, but it took the whole day to bring them to the spot where we stacked them to store them so we can work on some projects. A little bit of those OSB sheets will be in this room, so we're going to insulate the outside wall, so that's going to be with OSB, and the rest is for the new workshop whenever we're going to start on that. But it was 50% cheaper to buy it as a whole pallet than single sheets, so yeah, that's a no-brainer to do that. But so this is it. It's a bit dark, I'm sorry the light isn't really good, we'll sort that out in the future, but at least now I can make videos again, I can edit them again, because all my cards were full, so now I could empty them, put them in the PC and, well, edit this video. For now, I used to say always do some woodworking, it's a nice way to spend your time, do some recycling, it's an even better way to spend your time, and actually some recycling is a good way to spend your time and save money. So, until the next video, at the logo.